Seventh Element. I'm not.
Alright, let me stop. Alright, welcome to again, ladies and gentlemen, another training video. And as far as say, finally an edited video. Yeah, so in this video, I'm pretty much working with the earthquake bar on leg day as well as chest day. Trying to work on my squat and my depth. So that's why I'm using this bar to kind of work stability and give my joints a rest, because I feel banged up and beat up from doing a whole bunch of heavy squats, benches, deadlifts for the last few weeks, and my body is telling me to go myself. And yes, people in the background looking at me like, dude, what the F is your damn problem? But anyway, after doing that with right front squats, didn't care. And yes, I was crazy enough to bring my own freaking bar to the gym just to do these movements. And yes, people are giving me like, it's weird. Some people are like, dang, dude, that's sweet. Some people are like, yeah, this dude has lost his mind. You guys are right on both sides of the fence. Because as the name implies on the other channel, Mind and Muscle Maniacs, they call it Mind and Muscle Maniacs for a reason. And not just firing eyes. Just saying. So, you know, I went ahead and did that from free weights, and then from there I went to machines. And of course, I had to go to leg press. It says I don't have a leg press in my house right now because I'm not trying to cram a freaking full leg press in my basement. That is not happening. Nope. Nope. Not gonna happen. Not doing it. Forget that. So I decided to just play a little one and the cable little one. Anyway, I'm gonna stop running my mouth a little bit. Let you guys watch the rest of this footage from this one day.
Listen up! It's me, the Italian Stallion, Meatball Marinara. Oh, hey, Greg! I'm imitating Rich. Because he keeps talking shit about us.
Hey, what's up, earthquake bar? Wanna go for a ride? Your boy say I can, bitch! Italian Stallion! First generation of the mafia! Alright, let me stop. Anyway, the following day, you know, I kept the bar and bands there and did some bench with it. And yes, we still talking about people, but yeah, anyway. Good thing about this bar, in all seriousness, helps you get a lot of resistance and really hits your pecs hard. It's definitely your triceps, but gives your rotator cuffs a rest and also lower the chance of getting a pec tear if you're doing a lot of bench lately. So yeah, get where to train the muscle and give your joints a much needed, deserved rest. So I did this workout with did this exercise. So I used this bar for both flat bench and incline bench. Don't know what's wrong with my brain trying to crack jokes and talk at the same time, but yeah. Used for flat bench and then incline bench, and then from there went on some machines. and let me shut up if I continue to mess up, and let you guys watch the rest of this video footage.